What's the one thing that we can't afford to do in business? It's waste time. If your potential clients don't already know and like you before you go to the first meeting with them, then you're wasting a huge opportunity. My name is Chance, and I am the owner of Godwin Media. So back in 2015, I was working as a sales rep, selling video production services. I was booking dozens of appointments every single week. I have 3 very small children. I never got to see them, and I knew that I had to do something. I had to have fewer conversations, more productive conversations. That was about the time when I discovered Whiteboard video. I built a couple sales presentations so that I could simplify explaining the services that we offered. And we were getting more work done in the first call than I had been getting done in 6 or 7 or 8 calls. 2017, launched my own company so that I could help other businesses to do the same thing that I had been successfully doing using whiteboard animation. Microsoft, Procter & Gamble, 3M, AT&T, all the way down to little startups, solopreneurs. The USO Pathfinder program, they help service members transition from military back to civilian life. Transition is something that most service members put off, they don't want to think about, and so they would be wasting lots and lots of time trying to sell them on the urgency, and it wasn't working. So we built a video that told the story of a service member who was about a year out from transition, and so that video has been used all over the world to get that conversation going before the service member even arrives at the meeting. When I was in school, I really struggled because all the education is done through listening and through reading. And my learning style is visual and it's kinetic. And so I was lost. And what I get to do with my clients is I get to save them from making the same mistake my teachers were making in school. They get to build immediate credibility and immediate trust by engaging potential clients using all their senses, not just forcing them to read things and not forcing them to listen to complicated things that don't make sense, but showing them. So yeah, for businesses that want to save a huge amount of time to be everywhere at once, if I could recommend one thing to do is get the Whiteboard Video business card. It's the starting place for learning how to use video to ramp up and jumpstart your relationships in your business. Usually we're booked a few months out. And so if you are a business or you're an agency and you'd like to offer these kinds of services, these kinds of videos to help your clients solve problems, then I would recommend that you hurry up and get over to chancegodwin.com and get your application in so that you can get ahead of the people who are currently signing up now to start their projects.